Shenzhen Hopfat Medical Instrument Company Limited was established in 2010, which covers an area of about 1,400 square meters and located in Baoan District, Shenzhen, China. Hopfat is a professional global medical device OEM/ODM manufacturing supplier in researching, manufacturing, and exporting, which mainly engaged in digital electronic blood pressure monitor, digital electronic thermometers, non-contact forehead thermometer, and other medical devices. The company has passed CE, RoHS, FCC, and other certifications. At the same time, it has more than 10 patents and a number of software copyrights. The factory, strictly in accordance with ISO 13485 Quality Management System for production management, the current products have been exported to over 50 countries and region, such as United States, Netherlands, Kenya, Vietnam. Hopfat has a professional design team who make design as customers' requirement, core software algorithms, and clinical improvement capabilities. It also has completely automatic equipment and multiple assembly lines. The annual maximum production capacity of electronic blood pressure monitor is 2.4 million units. The infrared thermometers is 72,000 units, and the non-contact forehead thermometer is 1.2 million units. Fast shipment. Will ship the goods in 3 to 5 days under 500 pieces. Will ship the goods in about 2 weeks. About after service. Support 1 to 2 years quality guarantee in difference goods. We will be patient to answer or solve the questions that you have. Trust and choose us. Take care your health and contact us.